Horse is yours.
Hear me, I'm calling. Catch me, I'm falling. Hear me, I'm calling. Catch me, I'm falling.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be over the Autocross I attended actually on Sunday. It's now Monday, day after. So the car done okay. Somewhat wish it done a little bit better. It was the first time I actually took a car to Autocross in about 4 or 5 years. It had been a while, but it was still fun. I recognize some of the things that needs to be done to the car for the next one. The car did seem to push in the front just a little bit, so that means I really need to get actually sway bar. I'd like to get front and rear, but I'm gonna start with the rear and see how that does for the next one. If it does pretty good, then we'll go with the front next. Then we'll probably do the struts after that. And I think that the struts, they couldn't be used some improvement, absolutely. And I do think that'll make a world of difference. But the sway bar, I think, is going to pay off more than the struts to begin with. The time I got was about a 42 second, which, you know, the fastest car I think there was a 35 second. Which again, this, you know, it could have done, like I said, could have done better. I think I pushed just a smidgen too hard, and that was to be expected. Again, that was my first time back. So I do hope you all enjoyed just a little bit of footage, or quite a bit of footage I got from, I think it was 8 runs. Roger, thank you. Okay, course is yours. Roger, thank you. Be careful, Drew. Let them go through there before you go out. Roger. Course.
run number 5. Of course, it's yours.